Hey y'all, good morning, what's up? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your girl Mer and I'm back with another video for you guys. So it is now 10:08 in the morning. It is a Tuesday and like I just get up. I got up like 9:17 in the morning. I'm not gonna lie, I'm low-key upset because I wanted to get up from 6 o'clock this morning, so that's 7, 8, 9. Well, 3 hours gone. But I'm not complaining, so I'm just grateful say God wake me up this morning. As you can see me in my towel, so I'm just about to go take a shower, brush my teeth, do my edges, and then come out and see if I can clean up the place. Oh no, I'm not going to see me clean up the place, and I'm not even get my breakfast yet. I wanted to get in some crochet, then I have these videos to edit before the day is finished. Oh, I'm even happy. I'm not asking no question. I'm have to make one dance video before I leave out. I'm have to go do my TikTok. But anyways, now I told you myself, anything I do today can do next day. But I know say dance videos, my breakfast, and editing at least one of the videos has to be done today. So right now the lady will just take a shower and come back. So when I go see when I come back. Yeah, hold on. Lady soon come. Hey y'all, again. So the lady just done beard, took my clothes them, and I'm about to fold them up and something. And this is the outfit that I'm wearing before I get to work. Them say when I hand me glass scratchy, I get money. So what happened when I pass that scratchy? So I'm using this lotion today. Vanilla cream, marshmallow sprinkles, things of them. I just buy this like one day when I'm on the road and my foot did look ashy. Body psychologist cake confetti. Yeah, maybe just buy that for just put on my foot because it never look good. And I like one lotion I use all the while. So let's get the lotion in. Put on the roll on already. No, put on this first. This is how I spray myself. I don't care what nobody has to say. Leave me alone. So now I'm about to just fold up these clothes and wash yesterday. So I'm almost done. Make up the bed them already. Them two bed them make up already. So I have the one here for make up. Straighten up the dresser already. So I have a few things left to do. So I gotta sweep out and finish up. So I've just finished. And that is one bed. That's bed number 2. Bed number 3 is also fixed, but I can't show you that because it's been occupied. So don't buy me piece of on them. So now I'm about to just do the dancing video that I told you guys that I have to do. I got most of the things that I wanted to do done. It's my grandmother washed the plate then, so that kind of helped me. I'm gonna straighten up the house already. So what else am I doing some more for do? The dancing video on TikTok. So it look like I'm gonna just do my dancing video. I want to do a video to this song. It's an all-time hit that DeMarco did, but I was listening to it the other day and I think I want to dance to that one. I'm not sure. It's more of a sensual music, and right now I think I want to do something sensual. For now I think I'm going to work with DeMarco Apartment. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can allow enough for see me I prepare for that, because I can't play the song for YouTube here, but I know it's gonna be mostly whining. Did I use a scarf though? I'm gonna put my scarf. Did I use one? Yeah, because I hold it for whining me do. But if you don't want to see the video, go ahead and go over to my dancing account at dancing._phoenix. My dancing account is up and running again. So if you don't want to see the video, what I'm gonna do, go over to my dancing account at dancing._phoenix. Big things are going on over there. Yeah, the lady's serious about her dancing career. So just putting in the work for that. Yeah, so without further ado, I'm gonna just get another video because as I said before, I don't want to leave out at a certain time and the time catch me. So I'm just gonna focus on the dancing video, edit it and post it. So this is the end of the video for you guys. Oh, I'm missing already. I'm missing already though, but like until next time y'all, peace. Me I go work on editing them video day. Have a nice one, you and your loved one. Remember, leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel. Yeah, keep watching. I'm out.